Daily English Talks.
Do you want to speak English confidently in daily life? Let's practice together.
The day English felt easy. I still remember the day when speaking English suddenly felt natural instead of stressful and confusing.
That sounds like an important moment because learning a language can feel difficult for a very long time.
Yes, and before that day, I always translated every sentence in my head before speaking out loud.
I used to do the same thing, and it made every conversation slow and uncomfortable for me.
Exactly, because while I was translating my thoughts, the other person was already waiting for my answer.
Did something special happen that made English feel easier for you all of a sudden?
Actually, it happened during a simple conversation at a small coffee shop near my office.
Sometimes the smallest situations become the biggest learning experiences in our lives.
I walked into the coffee shop feeling tired after work, and I only wanted to order a drink quietly.
That sounds like a completely normal day. So what changed during that moment?
The cashier started talking to me in English with a friendly smile, and she spoke very naturally and calmly.
Friendly people can make conversations feel less scary and much more comfortable.
She asked me how my day was going, and without thinking too much, I answered smoothly in English.
That must have surprised you because you usually needed extra time to think before speaking.
Yes, and the strange thing was that I was not translating anything in my head anymore.
That is usually the moment when learners realize they are finally starting to think in English.
I continued talking about my work, my weekend plans, and even my favorite movies without feeling nervous.
It must have felt amazing to speak naturally without worrying about every grammar mistake.
Honestly, I felt lighter and more confident because the conversation sounded real instead of rehearsed.
Confidence changes everything when it comes to speaking a new language comfortably.
Before that day, I believed fluent English speakers were somehow smarter or more talented than me.
Many learners think that way, even though fluency mostly comes from practice and patience.
Exactly, because I finally realized that my English improved slowly every single day without me noticing it.
Progress often feels invisible until one special moment suddenly makes everything clear.
After receiving my coffee, I stayed there for almost an hour talking with the cashier and another customer.
That sounds like a wonderful experience because real conversations teach more than textbooks sometimes.
We talked about travel, food, music, and funny stories from our daily lives.
Those kinds of natural topics help people forget they are even practicing a language.
Yes, and I noticed that I understood almost everything they were saying without asking them to repeat often.
Listening comfortably is another big sign that your English skills are growing stronger.
At one point, we all laughed together at a joke, and I realized I understood it immediately.
Understanding humor in another language is actually a huge achievement for language learners.
I know, because jokes used to confuse me when I first started studying English seriously.
Humor depends on timing and culture, so understanding it means your brain is adapting naturally.
When I left the coffee shop, I felt proud of myself in a way I had never felt before.
That feeling must have motivated you to continue improving your English with more excitement.
Definitely, because for the first time, English felt like a useful tool instead of a difficult school subject.
That is such an important change in mindset for becoming more fluent and confident.
I stopped focusing on perfection and started focusing on communication and connection with people.
People usually care more about understanding your message than hearing perfect grammar all the time.
Exactly. And once I understood that, speaking became less stressful and much more enjoyable.
Did you continue practicing English differently after that memorable day?
Yes, I started having short conversations every day instead of only studying grammar rules alone.
Daily speaking practice really helps people become comfortable with natural sentence patterns.
I also listened to podcasts during my morning commute and repeated useful expressions aloud.
That is a smart method because repetition helps train your brain to respond faster in conversations.
Another thing that helped me was accepting small mistakes without feeling embarrassed or discouraged.
That attitude is important because fear of mistakes often stops learners from improving quickly.
Now, when I speak English, I focus more on expressing my ideas clearly and confidently.
And I am sure your confidence makes your conversations smoother and more enjoyable now.
Yes, and surprisingly, people respond more positively when I speak with confidence instead of fear.
Confidence makes communication feel natural, even if someone still has a small accent or grammar mistakes.
Looking back, I realized that learning English became easier once I stopped trying to sound perfect.
That lesson can help so many learners who feel frustrated with their progress.
I wish more people understood that fluency grows slowly through simple conversations and daily experiences.
Language learning is really more about consistency and courage than natural talent.
Exactly, because the day English felt easy was not magical at all, but it was deeply meaningful.
It was meaningful because you finally trusted yourself and enjoyed the process of communicating naturally.
Yes, and now every conversation feels like an opportunity to connect with people instead of a test.
That is probably the moment when someone truly begins to enjoy speaking a new language.